Hi students, இப்போ நம்ம பார்க்க போறது exercise 6.3 ல first sum. If a vector equal to I vector minus 2j vector plus 3k vector plus b vector equal to 2i vector plus j vector minus 2k vector, c vector equal to 3i vector plus 2j vector plus k vector. Find first one a vector cross b vector cross c vector. Second one a vector cross b vector cross c vector. So first one கண்டுபிடிக்கிறதுக்கு first a vector cross b vector நம்ம ஃபைண்ட் பண்ணலாம். So a vector cross b vector equal to determinant of I vector, j vector, k vector. a நோட coefficient என்ன? 1, -2, 3. b vectorsல coefficient 2, 1, -2. So is equal to I vector into 4 minus 3 minus j vector into minus 2 minus 6 plus k vector into 1 plus 4 is equal to 4 minus 3 1. So 1 into I vector minus 2 minus 6 minus 8. So plus 8 into j vector. 4 plus 1 5. So plus 5 into k vector. So a vector cross b vector கிடைச்சிருச்சு. அடுத்து நமக்கு என்ன வேணும்? a vector cross b vector cross c vector is equal to I vector, j vector, k vector. So இதோட values என்ன? 1, 8, 5. இங்க c vector உடைய value 3, 2, 1. So 3, 2, 1 is equal to I vector into 8 minus 10 minus j vector into 1 minus 15 plus k vector into 2 minus 24. That is minus 2 into I vector minus 14. So plus 14 into j vector minus 22 into k vector. That is a vector cross b vector cross c vector. Okay. Second question என்ன கேட்டிருக்காங்க? a vector cross b vector cross c vector. So first நம்ம கண்டுபிடிக்க வேண்டியது b vector cross c vector. So b vector cross c vector equal to determinant of I vector, j vector, k vector. b நோட values 2, 1, minus 2 and 3, 2, 1. 2, 1, minus 2, 3, 2, 1. That is I vector into 1 plus 4 minus j vector into 2 plus 6 plus k vector into 4 minus 3. That is 5 into I vector minus 8 into j vector plus k vector. That b vector cross c vector. So next நம்ம கண்டுபிடிக்க வேண்டியது என்ன? a vector cross b vector cross c vector. Determinant of a vector நோட value என்ன? So 1 minus 2 3. 1 minus 2 3 and sorry first I vector, j vector, k vector. 1 minus 2 3. b vector cross c vector 5 minus 8 1. So I vector into minus 2 plus 24 minus j vector into 1 minus 15 plus k vector into minus 8 plus 10. 24 minus 2 20. 2 I vector minus 14. So minus plus 14 into j vector plus 2 into k vector, that is a vector cross b vector cross c vector equal to 22i vector plus 14j vector plus 2k vector.